Welcome to our channel, where we explore different techniques to help you manifest your dreams and desires using the law of attraction. In today's video, we will be discussing the top 3 law of attraction techniques that can help you to attract what you desire. Number 1, the visualization technique. The first technique is visualization. Visualization is a powerful technique that involves creating a mental picture of what you want to manifest. To use this technique, you need to find a quiet place where you can relax and visualize your desires. Imagine yourself already having what you desire and feel the emotions associated with that manifestation. This technique helps to train your subconscious mind to attract your dreams into your life. Number 2, affirmation technique. The second technique is affirmation. Affirmations are powerful statements that you repeat to yourself to change your beliefs and thought patterns. When you repeat affirmations, you are sending out positive vibrations to the universe, which attracts positive energy back to you. It is important to make sure your affirmations are in the present tense and are stated as if you already have what you desire. For example, I am abundant in all areas of my life. Number 3, gratitude technique. The third technique is gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that can attract more abundance and positivity into your life. To use this technique, you need to focus on the things you are grateful for in life. This can be anything from your health, your relationships, your job, or even the smallest things, like a beautiful sunset. When you focus on the things you are grateful for, you attract more positivity into your life. So those are the top 3 law of attraction techniques you can use to manifest your desires. Remember, the key to success with these techniques is consistency and persistence. Practice these techniques daily and watch how the universe begins to bring you what you desire. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more law of attraction content. Thank you for watching.